Okay, everyone. So now let's try to discuss about spam detection with the help of TF-IDF. So obviously TF-IDF is a vectorization technique that we are going to use, so which is going to help me out in terms of converting my data into a vector space with the help of TF-IDF technique. And obviously I will try to use some of the classification algorithm for the same. So let me share my screen, and here, so let me create a file, spam detection TF-IDF. So TF-IDF is just a vectorization technique I'm going to use, guys, nothing more than that. So here, let me write the code. So first of all, we have to import a couple of things. So first of all, let's try to import a sklearn dot sklearn, fine. So dot model selection, and then import train test split. Why I'm using it, I'll try to talk about it. So from sklearn dot naive bias. So naive bias is a classifier which I'm going to use, by the way, and then multinomial naive bias, and then from sklearn dot pipeline I can try to call and import make pipeline. Okay, fine. So these are the import that we have to do. Maybe on top of this you can try to do a import called as from sklearn dot feature extraction dot text from text. So import TF-IDF, sorry, not this one. So TF-IDF vectorizer, fine. So this is something that I have done as an import, simple, right? This is something which I have done as an import. Now let's try to prepare the data set, because data set is the ultimate thing that we have to prepare all the time, right? So here, if I'll talk about my X data, so my X data is basically when, let's suppose I'm writing win money now. So this is data number one. Then limited time offer, and then there is something called as hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? And then let's suppose I have a data called as let's catch up tomorrow, and then buy cheap meds online, and then are you free today? So this is my X data, let's suppose. So this is my X data which someone has given to me, and then I have a Y data which is nothing but a labeling of this data. So someone has already labeled this data. So let's suppose this data is been labeled as a spam data, right? So spam data. Okay. Now limited time offer. So this is also like a labeled as a spam data. Now, so hello, how are you? HELL. Hello, how are you? So this data, hello, how are you, is not spam data, not spam data, let's suppose. And let's catch up tomorrow. So this is again a not spam data. So let's catch up tomorrow, not spam. Then we have buy cheap meds online. So this is a spam data, let's suppose. And are you free today? So this is again not spam data. Yeah, not spam data. So now these are the labels that is given to all of this data. So this is my X data and this is my Y data. So technically what I will have to do is that I have to convert this entire information into a vector space. Yeah, vector space. And for that I can try to use a TF-IDF vectorizer. Fine. So TF-IDF vectorizer I can try to use, and based on that I can try to convert my entire data into a vector space. I believe we have already done that. Yeah. So TF-IDF vectorizer, and let me just show it to you that how my vector will look like. So VEC, and then this dot vect dot fit transform, I can try to pass my X data over here. So this is going to give me the X vector data. Fine, X vector data. So if I have to show you, so I can try to call maybe import pandas as PD in a structure way if I have to show you. And I have already shown you even in my previous a lecture, right? So how to do these things, how to find out, and how to showcase this entire information as a data frame. So here pandas dot data frame, and it is going to be x vector dot to numpy array, and column is going to be vector dot get feature name out. Fine. So this is, we had how many sentences? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 sentences, and for 6 sentences, this is the TF-IDF vector I am able to find out. Yeah, this is the TF-IDF vector I am able to find out. So this is technically my X data, by the way. So this is my X data, and I have my Y data. Yeah, I have my Y data. So I have my X and I have my Y. So I can try to train the model. How I can try to train the model? So I will be training a model in a very simple way. That's the reason. So I have done the a make pipeline things over here. So here what I will do is that I'll try to call just a make pipeline, and pipeline wise. So first we have to convert my data into a TF-IDF. So here I have just shown you out of the box, right, that okay, this is how this data will look like. So make pipeline. So what I can do in terms of a make pipeline, so I can try to say that what operation I would like to perform with respect to the input. So a TF-IDF vectorizer, first of all, I'm going to perform. And then after that, try to pass this data into my naive Bayes algorithm. So naive Bayes is one of the algorithm for doing a classification. Those who would like to know more about naive Bayes, so please try to follow along in my machine learning chapters. Yeah. So over there, I have already discussed about these things. Now here, so this is the pipeline I'm trying to create. So first do a vectorization, means try to create this. Vectorization means actually this one will be created, and then try to send the data for the classification. Now here, so this is going to be my model. Yeah, this is going to be my model. Now I can try to call model dot fit, not fit prediction, model dot fit. I can try to pass my raw X and raw Y. So whatever raw X and raw Y that I had, so my X value and my Y value, I can try to pass. No need to pass this X vector. It will be doing it automatically inside the pipeline. Now just try to execute it, and this is the pipeline it is able to create. So first it is going to vectorize it, and then it is going to basically perform the classification task. Yeah, classification model it is going to train. Now how I can try to test it, by the way? So for testing purpose, so I can try to call model dot predict, and here, so I can try to pass a data. So maybe I can try to say that free offer just for you. So let's suppose this is the data I have received, free offer just for you. Generally we receive this kind of information in our SMS or WhatsApp and email. So whether it's a spam or not a spam, let's see. So basically free offer for you, and it's telling me that it's not a spam for me. Yeah, based on the training, obviously we had a very limited data, right? A very limited data. So based on that, it is not able to give me maybe a better result. Maybe I can try to pass something like a win money now. Let's see. So whether it is able to, so I can try to add win money now. So again, it is trying to predict win money now is as a spam. So if I'm going to increase our data, obviously my name Bayes is going to perform better and better. But the whole idea behind this example is to show you that after vectorization, what next? Yeah, so I can try to call maybe a machine learning algorithm. I can try to call maybe a deep learning algorithm or any other algorithm. I can try to train, and I can try to train this entire things by passing this particular data set, because this, unless and until you are not going to convert your data into a numerical space, you will not be able to perform these operations. So hope all of you are able to understand that how we can do a how we can do a spam detection, and where we are using vectorizer as a TF-IDF vectorizer. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Take care and see you again in my next chapter.